Folks, welcome back to another episode of Ranch Rehab.
Welcome back.
And today, we got an amazing product review.
That's right.
From SJCAM, the SJ4000 action camera. Wait a minute. What is that in your hand?
This is it.
This is it?
This is the new action cam.
Oh, I get that, but what's it mounted to? What is this?
Well, this is a helmet.
Okay, and what's going to be done with that?
Your head.
I can't get this button, Jennifer.
Well, maybe your head's too big. Now you're set up.
What am I set up for?
Well, I guess you have to find out. Let's go.
All right, Jennifer. So we're gonna do some stunts right here, right?
Yep.
We got some stunt driving going on. We'll take a few laps around, see how we do.
Because you're gonna be at, well,
Like
that
that.
angle. I don't know, I think that's good.
Is that pointing out?
Yeah, I mean, it's pointing about right here.
All right, folks, so I'm gonna get up on top of the Jeep, lay down, and do my best to hold on tight to these rails. All right, and we were shooting in 4K at 30 frames per second. The color was good, it was really crisp. We were able to capture some amazing footage, but you have a lot of options here with the SJ4K action camera. Believe it, it's a good product. Like I said, it's very small, fits in the palm of your hand, and it can be purchased at a fraction of the cost of your average action camera. And you get great results with it. It's amazing. And we were very, very happy to use this camera. It captured great footage, and it did a wonderful job for us. So Jenny, I think the SJCAM SJ4K action camera did a great job.
Yeah, we really put it through the ringer.
Yeah, it performed really well. We got a lot of great shots.
I know.
You know, and it was a lot of fun too.
Yeah.
And so for a very affordable price at a fraction of the cost of like your average action camera, the SJCAM did really great.
Yeah, you can save a ton of money.
Yes. So with that being said, check out our links in the description so you can get one of your own. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us. Don't forget to ring that bell for notifications so you get notified every time we upload a new video. With that being said,
we'll see you next time.
we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.